Welcome dear students. Let's continue with the exercise 2.2. Okay, now in our last class we learned how to frame a algebraic expression. So we know that what is meant by a algebraic expression. Okay, so let us recollect what are the things we have learnt in our last class. In our last class we learned what is meant by a variable. Yes or no? The next one we learned what is meant by a constant. Yes? Okay. Now also we know what is meant by an arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation. What are the arithmetic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So now what is termed as a algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of variable and a constant along with the arithmetic operation. Yes or no? Okay. Now look into this example. M plus 6. Now m is a variable, 6 is a constant and addition is a arithmetic operation. So if we have the combination of all these things, we can say it is an algebraic expression. Okay. One more thing we have learned in our class, what are the keywords? What are the keywords we can identify for the arithmetic operations? Okay. So for addition we have learned what are the keywords? More, sum, added up, and all these things we have learnt already. Okay. For subtraction, what are the things, what are the keywords we have learned in our last class? Subtraction, reduced, decreased, these are the things, isn't it? Okay. Very important for the third one, multiplication. For the multiplication, the keyword is times. Times. Wherever you get the word, keyword times, it denotes for which operation? Multiplication. Okay. So this is the main keyword in order to denote the multiplication. Okay. The other one is product of. The other one is product of. Product of so and so. Multiply between two numbers, isn't it? So product of two numbers. Product of 6 and S, or product of M and Y. Okay. Now let's get into the sums now, which are very simple, but you have to be very careful in denoting the statement as well as the expression. Okay. So let's continue with the third sum now. Look into this. Change verbal statement into algebraic statement. Algebraic statement. Now what is meant by a verbal statement? Verbal statement is an ordinary statement. As we have written here, t is added to 100, 4 times q, 8 reduced by y. These are said to be verbal statement. Now I am going to change this verbal statement into algebraic statement. So what is meant by algebraic statement? In the algebraic statement, I should have a variable, I should have a constant, and along with these two, variable and constant, I should have the arithmetic operation. Okay. So now I am going to change it. Now look into this. As soon as you read a statement, listen very carefully. As soon as you read a statement, now I am going to change the statement into a algebraic expression. So already I told you, for an algebraic expression, I need a variable, I need a constant, and I need a arithmetic operation. Okay. Now first read into the sentence now. T is added to 100. T is added to 100. Now what is t here? It is a variable. Very good. What is 100 here? It is a constant. Now added. What is this added? This is the arithmetic operation. Okay. Now I am going to put all these three things into a single algebraic expression. So now t is added to 100. So what will be the answer? T plus 100. T plus 100. Now this becomes a algebraic expression. Did you understand? Okay. Now look into the next one. 4 times q. 4 times q. Now here 4 is a constant. Q is a variable. Now what does this times denote for? Time denotes for the product, multiplication. Okay. So what will be the answer now? 4 times of q can be written as 4q. 4q. Okay. Now look into this third sum. 8 reduced by y. 8 reduced by y. 8 is a constant here. Y is a variable. What does this reduced stand for? Reduced stand for subtraction. Yes or no? Reduced, decreased. These are taken away. These are the key words for subtraction. So what will be the answer now? 8 reduced by y. 8 minus y. Okay. Now look into the next sum. 56 added to 2 times of x. 56 added to 2 times of x. Now listen very carefully. Now we have two operations here. One constant. Here 56 is one constant. 2 is one constant. X is a variable. Yes or no? And added is one arithmetic operation. Times is one more arithmetic operation. Times na we have to use multiplication. Okay. Now so we are going to put all these in a algebraic statement. Okay. Now 56 has to be added to 2 times of x. We know the hierarchy of max, isn't it? BIDMAS. Okay. So multiplication, after the multiplication only it comes the addition. So first I have to concentrate on the multiplication. So 2 times of x. 2 times of x. So 2 times of x is what? 2x. Yes or no? Now 2 times of x added to 56. 56 is added to this term. So 2x plus 56. Or I can rewrite this as 56 plus 2x. Both the answers are right. Both the answers are right. I can write either 2x plus 56 or 56 plus 2x. When you frame the algebraic expression, you should not miss any of the operations. So first you concentrate on multiplication and then you go for addition or subtraction. Okay. Now look into the last one. 4 less to 9 times of y. 4 less to 9 times of y. Now look into the constant. How many constants are here? 2 constants. 4 is one constant and 9 is one constant. Yes or no? Okay. Now look into the arithmetic operations. What are they? How many are there? 2 are there. One is less, the other one is times. Yes or no? Okay. What is the variable here? It is y, 1 alone. So as I told you, first concentrate on the multiplication. Now which one is multiplication? 9 times of y. 9 times of y. So 9 times of y. How can I write this? 9 times of y is 9y. Okay. Now 4 less to 9 times of y. Now 4 is less in where? 9 times of y. So 9y minus 4. Did you understand? 9y minus 4. So 4 is less to 9 times of y. Is it clear for you, students? Okay, students, we'll continue with the next sum. So this is very simple. Already algebraic statement is given and we are going to write it as verbal statement. So now look into this algebraic statement, x divided by 3. So as you read, you can write the statement, verbal statement. So x divided by 3. So the answer is x is divided by 3. Okay, next one. 5n minus 12. When you have this one, product as well as that is 2 arithmetic operations together means you have to be little careful. Okay, that's all. Very simple. So 5n, 5 into n minus 12. So when you have like this, you can write the second number. That is what is the number you are going to add or subtract. You can write it in front or the next number. Nothing is different there, but it will be easy for you to write when you write this adding number or subtracting number as a first statement. Now minus 12, isn't it? So 12 less to 5 times of n. 12 less to 5 times of n. Now look into this. 5 times of n is here and I am going to take away 12 from 5 times of n, or I am going to reduce 12 from 5 times of n. So 12 less to, from where it is less? From 5 times of n. Is it clear? So very simple. 12 less to 5 times of n. Okay. Now look into the next one. 11 plus 10 times of x. 11 plus 10 times of x. Now what I'm doing? I'm adding 11. I'm adding more 11 to how much? 10 times of x. So I can write it as 11 more to 10 times of x. Is it clear? Okay. Now look into this, very simple. 70, yes. That is 70 into yes. So I can rewrite it as product of 70 and yes. So these are very simple. Very simple. It is very simple to change algebraic statement into a verbal statement or verbal statement into algebraic statement. Okay students, shall we continue the next sum now? Okay students, let's continue with the next sum now. Now fifth sum. What is given in the fifth sum is a teacher is giving an algebraic expression to the students. Okay, so two students are writing the answer for the given question. One is Vetri, the other one is Maran. Okay, now what is the question given by the teacher is 8 more than a number. 8 more than a number. Now this number is not given. It is an unknown number. We don't know what is that number. Now 8 is more than. More means what is the keyword? Keyword of more is addition, isn't it? So 8 is added to a number, more than a number. Okay, this is the question given by the teacher. Now the student Vetri is giving an answer and Maran is giving an answer. Now they have given, Vetri has written the algebraic expression as 8 plus x, 8 plus x, and Maran has written the answer as 8 into x. Okay, now they are asking whose answer is right. Either Vetri's answer is right or Maran's answer is right. Okay, now first let we write the answer for this question, teacher's answer question. Okay, now 8 more than a number. I don't know the number. Let me take that number, unknown number as what? X. Okay, now 8 more. So x plus 8. Now x plus 8 is same as 8 plus x. We know that addition is commutative. You have learnt in your smaller classes, isn't it? Addition is commutative. What is meant by commutative? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Again 2 plus 1 is also equal to 3. Yes or no? That is commutative. That's why x plus 8 or 8 plus x both are same. Okay, so the answer is 8 plus x. Now let's check. Vetri has written as 8 plus x, but Maran has written the answer as 8 into x, 8 times of x. So Maran's answer is wrong. Whose answer is right? Vetri's answer is right. So the answer for this question is, whose answer is right now? Vetri's answer is right. Okay, now look into the sixth question. If n takes the value of 3, then find value of n plus 10. If n takes the value of 3, n takes the value of 3, what does it mean? N is equal to 3. N takes the value, now n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, what is the value of n plus 10? So in n plus 10, I am going to substitute n is equal to 3. So n plus 10 will be equal to 3 plus 10, that is equal to 13 is the answer. It's very simple, isn't it? Okay. Now look into the next subdivision. If g is 300, what is g minus 1 and g plus 1? Okay, so g is 300. What does mean? G is equal to 300. It means g is equal to 300. So now what is the answer for g minus 1? So g minus 1 will be equal to 300 minus 1, which will give you 299. 300 minus 1 is 299. Now the next one, g plus 1. So what is g plus 1? 300 plus 1. So what is 300 plus 1? It is 301. So these two are the answers for this second subdivision. Okay, we'll continue with the third subdivision of the sixth sum. Yes. Now, what is the value of s if 2s minus 6 gives 30? What is the value of s? So, we are supposed to find the value of s. If 2s minus 6 gives 30, what does it mean? 2s minus 6 is equal to 30. Gives 30, na? It is equal to 30. Okay. Now I am supposed to find the value of, yes, you know that. So this is the unknown value. Algebra is the chapter where we can find the unknown value. Okay. We are finding the values for the unknown value. Okay. So now this is the value I have to find. So whatever the value I have to find, you keep it on your left hand side always. Keep it on the left hand side. The rest of the terms you bring it to the right hand side. So now first one by one operation you have to bring it to the right hand side. So first you can have it as 2s. 2s is equal to, already 30 is here. Now minus 6, if it comes to this side, it becomes plus 6. Minus 6, if it comes to that side, it becomes plus 6. Okay. So 2s is equal to 30 plus 6 is how much? 36. Okay. Now I need the value of s alone. So keep s alone here on the left hand side. S is equal to 36. Now 2 into s, isn't it? If this 2 multiplication of 2 comes to this side, it becomes division. So 36 divided by 2. Now s will give the answer of 36 divided by 2. We know the division, isn't it? Yes or no? 36. 2 times we are going to divide. So 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 will give you how much? 1. Now bring this 16 here, 6 here. So it becomes 6. Now 2 8s are 16. Yes or no? So what is the answer for yes? Yes is equal to 18. Okay, so we have found the value of yes if 2s minus 6 gives the value 30. So do step by step neatly so that you won't miss any of the operation. Okay students, let's continue with the 7th sum now. Now look into this. Complete the table and find the k value, which k by 3 gives 5. Now you should read and understand the question properly first. Okay, so complete the table, you know that. Now find the value of k for which k by 3 gives 5 as the answer. Okay, so k value is given 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Now we have to find the value of k by 3. So already 1 and 2 is given. When you divide the k value by 3. So k value is here 3. 3 divided by 3 will give you how much? 3 divided by 3 will give you how much? 1. Yes or no? Now next one, k value is what? 6. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is how much? 2. So these two values are given. Now I am going to fill the rest of the complete the table given, and I am going to check for which value of k I get here the answer to be how much? 5. Here the answer to be how much? 5. Okay, let's check now. Now first 2 is completed. The next value of k is what? 9. So 9 divided by 3 is how much? 3 3s are 9. Yes or no? When you divide 9 by 3, how much I get? 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3. Okay, next one. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3, how much? 12 divided by 3, 3 4s are 12. So the answer is how much? 4. Okay, the next one. 15 divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So the answer is how much? 5. Okay, next one 18. 18 divided by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is how much? 6. So now let us take and write the answers now. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, now here I am going to check now for which value of k the answer of k by 3 is 5. For which value of k? Now where do I get k by 3? Where I do get 5 now? Here. Now what is the value of k? It's 15. Yes or no? So k takes the value 15. So the answer is k is equal to 15. Okay students, we'll continue with the 8th sum. Very simple. 8th and 9th sum are very simple. The value of y in y plus 7 equal to 13. Value of y, we have to find the value of y in where y plus 7 is equal to 13. This is an algebraic equation. This is an algebraic equation. If you have equal to We can say it as an algebraic equation. So in this equation, I have to find the value of y. Okay, that is going to be our answer. So now I told you already, if I have any unknown value, we have to keep it on the left hand side, bring the rest things to the right hand side. So now y plus 7 is equal to 13. This implies, this is the denotation for this implies, this will give you y is equal to 13 plus 7. If it goes to that side, it becomes 7. Yes or no? So now this implies y will give you the answer 6. 13 minus 7 is how much? 6. So y is equal to 6 is the answer. Okay. Now look into the ninth sum. Very simple. 6 less to n. 6 less to n gives 8 is represented as. We have to represent this verbal statement into an algebraic expression. Now 6 less to n gives 8. Gives 8 means what? Equal to 8. Okay. Now 6 is less to where? N. So n being the biggest number. N minus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. Now 6 less to n gives us 8 is the answer. So this is also very simple. We have completed the ninth. Okay students. Now let's continue with the 10th sum. Look into the 10th sum. The value of c for which 3c by 4 gives 18. The same as we discussed in our 8th sum, isn't it? The value, we have to find the value of c for which the clue is given. 3c divided by 4 gives 18, equal to 18. So first let us take and write 3c divided by 4 is equal to how much? 18. Now this is a question given here. I have to find the value of c, isn't it? So I have to keep c alone on the left hand side. I have to take the rest of the terms to the right hand side. Now look into this 3c divided by 4. It means 3 by 4 into c is equal to 18. Yes or no? Do you agree this? Yes. 3 by 4 into c will give you what? 3c divided by 4. Both are same. Okay. Now I have to keep only c on the left hand side, equal to 18. Now 3 by 4 is a fraction, multiplication, and also it is a fraction. If this fraction moves towards that side, it becomes a division. So division, fraction, when it goes to that side, we have to reciprocate. We have to reverse it. So what I will get? 18 into 4 divided by 3. This is very important. So reciprocating the fraction 3 by 4, if it goes to that side, it will become 4 into 4 by 3. Okay. Now 3 ones are 6 times. Yes or no? 3 6 are 18. So what will be the answer? C is equal to 6 into 4. What is C? 6 into 4? It is 24. As I know, 6 4s are 24. So this is the place you have to be very careful. If this 3 by 4 goes to that side, it becomes 4 by 3. Is it clear? Okay. Okay students, let's continue. Now this is the sum which is given to be, try this sum. Okay. Now first look into this m. They have given m plus 4 result, and we have to check whether the answer is it 9? Yes or no? Okay. So now first column, they have given the values of m. Yes or no? If m takes a value 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. The next one is given to be m plus 4. m plus 4. So what will be the result here? What I have to answer for this question mark? M plus 4. Here m value is what? 1. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 4. Isn't it? Okay. Now the next one is m plus 4 is what? 2 plus 4. What is the third one? 3. M takes the value 3. So this becomes what? 3 plus 4. Is that no? Okay. The next one, m value is 4. 4 plus 4 is given. Now here 5. M value is 5. So I will write it as 5 plus 4. Is that no? Okay. Now 1 plus 4 is given to be 5. Yes. Okay. Now 2 plus 4 is given to be how much? I have to write the answer 6. Now 3 plus 4 is what? 7. Yes. Now 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Now 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. Is that no? So I am going to fill the question marks. Answer, I have written 6, 8 and 9. Now they are asking you whether it is 9. Is the answer is 9 here? No, it is 5. So what will be my answer? It is no. The next one, 6. Is it 9? No. Okay. What is the next one? It is given to be 7. Is it 9? No. Now look into this. 8. Is it 9? No. Now the next one, the answer is 9. Is it 9? Yes. Our answer is yes. Now one more tabular column you have, you can try it. Okay students, so by this we have completed our 2.2 exercise. Okay, I have sent you a link. You can go into the link and just check whether you are able to answer all the questions under algebraic expression. All the best students.